How to get Canva Pro for free using Student ID. Canva offers free access to Canva Pro through the Canva for Education program, available to teachers and students with verified educational email or student IDs. This video is a short guide to help you out how can you get Canva Pro for free using student ID. For that, first of all, you have to open any browser you have on your device. Then on the searching bar, search for Canva Pro for Student. Here you can see the first website, simply tap on it. Once you go there you will see sign up for free option. Simply tap on that. Now, from here you have to log in using your educational email address. Canva may require you to verify your email or upload a photo of a student ID for confirmation. Once it is approved, you'll have access to Canva Pro feature for free through Canva for Education. But you need to have your email address and ID of being student. In this very easy step, you can easily get Canva Pro for free. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.